We live in an age where financial success is marketed as lifestyle. Luxury holidays, high-end apartments, expensive cars, designer brands. Social media has turned wealth into a performance. But real financial success doesn't start with lifestyle. It starts with thinking differently. Because what looks rich and what builds wealth are often two completely different things. The way you think about money shapes the way you earn it, spend it, save it, and grow it. If you want long-term financial success, not just temporary income, you need mental upgrades before financial upgrades. Today, we're breaking down 5 powerful mindset shifts that can completely transform your financial future. And by the end of this video, you'll see money differently. 1. Shift from earning money to building wealth. Most people focus only on income. How can I get a raise? How can I work more hours? How can I earn more this month? There's nothing wrong with increasing income. But wealth isn't built from income alone. Wealth is built from ownership. Ownership of assets. Ownership of investments. Ownership of systems that generate money without constant effort. If your income stops the moment you stop working, you don't own your time. And if you don't own your time, you don't have financial freedom. Financially successful individuals think long-term. They understand that income is fuel, but assets are the engine. Instead of increasing lifestyle every time income increases, they increase investments. They think in decades, not months. This shift changes your decisions immediately. Instead of upgrading your car, you might upgrade your portfolio. Instead of upgrading your wardrobe, you might upgrade your skill set. Wealth building is quiet, disciplined, and patient. And patience is often what separates the financially free from the financially stressed. 2. Shift from spending to impress to spending with purpose. One of the biggest traps in modern society is financial comparison. We compare houses, we compare holidays, we compare watches, we compare cars, and without even realizing it, we start making financial decisions based on what others will think. But here's the truth. The people you're trying to impress are usually too busy trying to impress someone else. Financial success requires emotional maturity. It requires the ability to delay external validation in exchange for long-term security. Spending with purpose means asking deeper questions before every major expense. Does this align with my goals? Is this helping my future? Or am I buying this to feel important for a moment? There's a huge psychological difference between intentional enjoyment and emotional spending. Purposeful spending feels controlled. Impulse spending feels urgent. Financially disciplined people understand that wealth is not about visible consumption. It's about invisible strength, emergency funds, investments, low debt, cash flow, stability. These things aren't glamorous, but they are powerful. And over time, the quiet discipline of purposeful spending builds confidence that no luxury purchase can replace. 3. Shift from fear of risk to calculated action. Let's talk about fear. Fear keeps many people financially average. Fear of investing because markets fluctuate. Fear of starting a business because it might fail. Fear of changing careers because it feels uncertain. But staying stuck has its own cost. Inflation rises. Opportunities pass. Skills become outdated. Playing it safe forever isn't safety, it's stagnation. Now, this doesn't mean being reckless. Financial success isn't about blind risk. It's about informed risk. Calculated action means you educate yourself, you research properly, you understand potential downsides, you prepare strategically, then you move. Action builds clarity, waiting builds anxiety. Every successful investor or entrepreneur has faced uncertainty. The difference is they move forward despite it. Growth never happens in comfort zones, and financially successful individuals train themselves to tolerate temporary discomfort for long-term gain. 4. Shift from short-term comfort to long-term discipline. This is where most people struggle. We are wired for comfort, immediate pleasure, instant gratification, quick rewards. But financial success is built on delayed gratification. It's built when you choose, saving over splurging, investing over consuming, planning over reacting. Short-term comfort feels good today. Long-term discipline feels good forever. Discipline is not about restriction, it's about alignment. It's about making sure your daily actions match your future vision. Small habits compound. Saving a small percentage consistently builds security. Investing regularly builds growth. Tracking expenses builds awareness. Learning about money builds confidence. Most people overestimate what they can do in a month and underestimate what they can do in 10 years. Financial discipline is boring to watch, but powerful to live. And once discipline becomes identity, financial stability becomes inevitable. 5. Shift from money as the goal to value as the goal. Here's something that might surprise you. Money is a result, not a goal. If you chase money directly, you often make desperate decisions. But if you chase value, money follows naturally. Value means skills. Value means competence. Value means solving problems better than others. The marketplace rewards people who can create impact. Whether you're in business, employment, freelancing, or investing, your income reflects the value you provide. Financially successful individuals invest heavily in themselves. They read, they learn, they improve communication, they study trends, they build networks, they strengthen leadership because they understand something critical. Your biggest asset isn't your bank account, it's your ability to rebuild it. If you lose money but keep your skills, you can recover. If you have money but lack discipline or value, you can lose everything. Focus on becoming rare in your field. Focus on developing expertise. Focus on solving meaningful problems. Money respects competence, and value sustains wealth long-term. The real secret. Here's the truth most people overlook. Financial success is more psychological than mathematical. It's not just about numbers. It's about behavior. Your beliefs about money influence your decisions. Your decisions shape your habits. Your habits determine your results. If you believe money is scarce, you act defensively. If you believe growth is possible, you act strategically. Everything begins in the mind. And the good news, mindset is trainable. You don't need a huge salary to start thinking like someone financially successful. You need awareness. You need intentional choices. You need consistency. Start small. Review your spending this week. Set one clear savings goal. Invest time into learning about investing. Cut one unnecessary expense. Develop one high-income skill. Progress builds momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds bigger action, and bigger action builds results. Financial success isn't reserved for a specific background, age, or profession. It's reserved for those willing to think differently and act consistently. Change your thinking, and you begin to change your financial future. And that's all for today. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.